friends, I'm Emmanuel, and today I'm gonna show you how to install and activate Movavi Video Editor 15.00. Okay, and the good news about this software, actually, when you have this version, you can always update to the upper or higher version or to the newer version for free, guys. Okay, so that being said, let's get started. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna put the link in the video description where you can download the software, after the zip file, and then you enjoy it. Okay, so make sure remember to check in the video description, yeah, to download the files. Okay, so for that being said, I'm gonna go to this compressed file. You're gonna need WinLab to be able to extract it. So right click on it, then I'm gonna go to extract to Movavi, click here. Okay, you're gonna be asked for the password, so I'm gonna type education, education, like that, so, and then click OK. Awesome, now it is being extracted. If you need any change or problem, let me know in the comments, then I'm gonna try my best to help you if I can. Okay, now extraction has been completed, so I'm gonna go here. Actually, I'm gonna put it here where you can see it clearly. Okay, then after extraction, by the way, before you extract the file, you will download it. After downloading this file, then after downloading it, you disconnect your PC from internet, then you need, like I've done, then from there you also disable your antivirus. Those are the steps, guys, you should be doing. So I'm gonna exit that. Okay, disable so window different by going to settings, then click there, then go to actually update and set security, then go to Windows security. There you go, go to virus and threat protection. You know that's gonna pop up, click on virus. Okay, please disable that. Okay, there you go, like that. Okay, yeah, so right click on folder, then click on open. Same. Okay, you're gonna see the 32-bit version and the 64-bit version, so choose the one you want. So 64-bit version is this, that, and 32. You're gonna see the setup and the update, which is here. Okay, so since I use 32, actually 64-bit version, I'm gonna use this. Right click here, then go to setup, right click on it, run as administrator. You know that's gonna put yes. There you go. Awesome. So you can check the installation settings. You can choose different languages depending on what you are compatible with. So since I speak English, I'm gonna choose English, and I click on accept, install. Awesome. Yeah, it is being now installed. Okay, now it is almost done. Awesome. So you're gonna see this. Let me minimize this, by the way. Yeah, you're gonna see this start. So you're gonna start it. It has got free music, music on YouTube, which are incorporated. Actually, it's very hard to get free music. So, but this software has got some awesome. Now you're gonna see this. For you're gonna see 7 days trial, not 14. Yep. So your trial has expired. So yeah, as you can see, when I activate, when you actually click here, this is what you will see. When you click on activate, we're gonna see this. Okay, so I'm gonna click on cancel. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to go into this file. I'm gonna go to purge, copy patch file inside the version. So right click here and then open. Go to this file, purge, right click on it, copy, minimize this, go back to the shortcut icon which is here, right click on it, on the setup we have installed, open file location, right click here, then paste. Okay, I'm gonna look for purge. Yeah, you can scroll down and you're gonna find it here, patch. Right click on it, then run as administrator. You need it, it's gonna pop up, click on yes. Go. Okay, now this is patch design. Okay, close this, relaunch the program. Just let's do it. So let's check if there has been frank go to about. As you can see, it is 15.00 like I promised. Yep, that's it. Now you can use it for lifetime, okay? And you can get the updates for free, guys. Okay, yeah, so that's it. I hope guys you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Guys, if you're asking yourselves how you can help me, you can help me by just subscribing, okay, which is free. You just need to hit the subscribe button in this video, okay? Yeah, thank you. I hope to see you soon. Take care. I like you so much.